After we retouch the whole image, I want to show you something different that you can do with our frequency separation. As you can see here, we still have some hard differences between the shadows and the midtones here in the middle and the highlights here. Also, we have some imperfections and some hard shadows around the eyes. Here we can edit. Here we left some dark spots from the makeup, and I think we can heal them now. Great. I'm gonna show you something cool that you can do also on, not only on skin, but I'm gonna show you how to do this on clothing. So if we are satisfied with our result, let's click Ctrl A, select the whole image, Ctrl Shift C, and Ctrl V, pasting the whole image. Now we can, even if we deactivate, we still have our new image with all the edits. What are we gonna do now? Let's say skin retouch. Let's rename this layer skin retouch base. Now hit Ctrl J twice. Texture again. Oh, this is texture. This is color. Always textures is on top. So deactivate this, go with the color, filter, blur, Gaussian blur. But this time, what I'm gonna do is to increase the Gaussian blur a little bit more, until all my image is a little bit blurry. I think that's okay. Let's go again on the image, apply image, go with the skin retouched base color, and voila. Now go again on linear light, put them, Ctrl J, put them in a group and say frequency separation. Okay, let's give it the color so it will be easier for you to follow when you access this file. Now what I'm gonna do under the texture, I'm gonna go to my lasso tool. I'm gonna increase the feather around 14 pixel, 15. I think this is okay. And I'm gonna select areas from the face, just like this. I'm gonna go on filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and now I'm increasing even more the blur. And now it's gonna blend even more the colors underneath the texture. Don't worry if it looks too fake. We're gonna turn down the opacity on this layer, but I just wanna show you the effect that has on the skin. So look at this before and after. We can do it again. On this area, go again, filter, Gaussian blur, or you can click Alt Control F. Go again. Alt Control plus F, and it's gonna save your last Gaussian blur settings. You can go wherever you find these hard differences between the shadow and the midtones. We can go under the eyes here a little bit. And this way you can speed up the process. Here on the neck. Also here on the arms. The selection doesn't have to be perfect, because remember, we use the feather. So if we can have a look on our selection, you see it has a soft edge to it, so it can blend better. Also this part of the arm. All right. But now it doesn't look too polished, does it? And that's why we're gonna bring this opacity down. Go down all the way and increase the opacity slowly until you keep and you see a natural result. I think we can go a little bit more. Now look into this area. Look how everything became softer. Also here on the arms. So everything looks nice. All right, so let's see a before and after. Control A again, Control Shift C, Control V. Let's deselect all of these layers and let's see our result. That's quite a difference, isn't it? Also here on the arms. And also here on the dress. So after this, you successfully used the frequency separation in Photoshop.